right?
Not necessarily.
What was that again? Sorry.
Rumors were that he was supposed to be a priest.
Rumors.
See, he's still laughing. Because no, you're all over the papers again.
That's probably what everyone else is asking by now after your fantastic performance during the whole season.
I mean,
What's next?
10 years from now, do we see you giving us communion?
Or are we going to?
And we'll be like, oh, Father, I'm down here. Father Sam, seriously. Not to joke about it, but that was the story that went around, that people thought that you were coming here to be a priest.
Yeah, of course, it's because of my life back home, because I was seriously involved in Christian program activities like CFC, SFC, and of course, Catholic, and I refused to attend to other schools or public schools.
You really wanted a
Catholic
Catholic
school.
All right.
So they thought maybe because he wants to be a priest, that's why he's targeting Catholic only.
Okay.
Because my grade school was Catholic school, high school Catholic school, and I want to study in a Catholic college.
Okay.
So people say that.
Okay.
I didn't say that.
I'm curious to see what the teammates think. Tingin niyo ba,
Pwede siya
sa tamang
magpare.
direction na ba to? Papunta maging pare? Or just the laughter sa ito? No, but as a teammate, how was Sam? I mean, siyempre nalaman nyo, here's Sam Ekwe from Nigeria. Malaki, di ba? 6'8". Pero ano yung expectation nyo kay Sam? Siguro sa mga veterano, Yusuf, what did you expect of Sam right away? When you first saw him, you haven't seen him play. Pagpasok sa court, wow. Sino to?
Una, parang natakot kami na nasumaya. Kasi natakot kami in a way na sa practice, baka kawawa kami, bugbugin niya.
Pero buti na lang teammate nyo, no?
Kasi sa game naman kami babawi sa mga kalaban namin. So, hard worker siya. Una pa lang na dating niya talagang nagpakita na siya, parang yung mga block shots niya, rebounds. Iba talaga siya, hard worker.
Alex, anong reaction mo nung mo nakita tong higanting to?
Masaya kasi first time ko magkakaroon ng kakampi sa team na ganyan kalaki. And alam ko, malaking tulong siya sa amin. Tapos, nung naglaro na nga siya, as in ang sipag niya. Kaya sabi ko, malaking chance yung NCAA namin ngayon.
Do you want me to translate or do you understand?
So you won't know if your teammates are selling you out, no?
I know they would tell me.
Well, unfortunately, Mariton, we wanted to have Coach Coy to join us today. Coach Coy Bonales, of course, the coach who led them to the championship. Right now, he's practicing with Pure Food. Such a hardworking guy, no break. Because, of course, the PBA is starting up soon. What can you say about Coach Coy? Last year, ba yung isang buong season niya? Bungi yung last year. Kalahati lang, di ba? So this was Coach Coy's first full season na nakapag-prepare kayo ng matagal. Kamusta yung naging adjustment ng team with Coach Coy sa bagong sistema niya? Siguro, sa veterans muna, and then I'll ask the new guys. Sige, Alex. Jack and Coy.
Kaya ano kayo? Okay na, champion na kayo.
Last year kasi si Coach Coy parang pinabayaan niya pa kami doon sa play namin with Coach Nash, yung mga play namin, wala pa siyang adjustments na ginawa. So this year, mahaba yung preparation namin kaya nakapag-adjust siya. Tapos si Coach Coy kasi siya yung coach na he will push you to the limit. Kailangan talaga 100%. Ayaw niya ng mga tamad-tamad. Gusto niya hindi siya tatanggap ng below 100%.
Yun ang passing grade niya. 100%.
100%.
But anyways, in tradition of basketball, time out muna tayo. 30-second time out. We'll come back and ask the rest of the guys how they feel about Coach Coy, how they feel about the future of San Beda. And Mariton, where do we go now?